Hey guys, welcome to STG Hackers. Guys, in this video I will tell you about what is pip, what is the use of pip, what are modules, packages in Python, and how can we download these modules and packages in Python. So, first of all, open your command prompt. After opening the command prompt, what do you want to do? You want to first write pip and click on enter. If it's all these things are showing, your pip is good. Okay, if it is showing pip is not recognized as an internal or external command, what do you want to do? You want to go to the description and check out my English playlist error videos. You will get there, you can go through and solve your error. Okay, so what do you want to do? First of all, I am telling you what is pip. Guys, basically pip is a command which is used to install modules or packages in Python. Okay, it is basically a command. Okay, so first of all I am showing you practical how to install a module in Python. I will install Flask. Up guys, what is Flask? Guys, Flask is a module which is used to making websites. So I am showing you how you can install. First of all, you want to write pip. Now you want to write install. Now I will write Flask. Now click on enter. It will start installing Flask. Okay, so it is showing that installing collected packages Flask. So I have installed my Flask. And if you want to import Flask, what do you want to do? Import means if you want to add this Flask in your Python, you want to run this Flask on your Python, what do you want to do? I am showing here only. We will do in VS Code, but for reference I am showing you here only. Okay, so I will write Python. Now I will write here import Flask. Now click on enter. Let's see. So you can see no error is showing. Okay, so if I write import pandas, now click on enter. Pandas is also a module. Now let's see what will happen. Basically it shows error because pandas is not installed in my laptop. It is not showing error. It seems that I have installed pandas. Let's check it. You want to write exit 2 brackets command. It will remove from Python. Okay, so I will write pip install pandas. See, it's showing requirement already satisfied. Okay, so I will firstly uninstall my pandas. Pip uninstall pandas. Now it will uninstall my pandas. Okay, so let's see. Now click on Y. Yeah, so it is showing that successfully uninstalled pandas 3.1.3.1. Okay, now let's see what to do. Okay, so if now I am opening Python. Now I will write import pandas. Okay, and it is showing module not found. Okay, so it seems that pandas is not installed in my computer. Okay, now basically I'm telling you what is the use of these packages. Okay, so these packages will small your code. If you're writing a big code, okay, and you're defining a function in that, and that function is written in this module only, so it's easy that you can install from here and import there. So you don't want to write the whole code. It will don't waste your time and your code will become very easy. So that's the use and why we use. Okay, now I am telling one more thing. If I will import smtplib, okay, it shows no error. Okay, now I am telling a amazing thing that if I exit it, now I will write pip install smtplib. It will show me error. Let's see. Yes, it is showing error. Could not find a version that satisfies the requirement. Guys, this error has been shown. Now, what is this error? Guys, this error means that this module is pre-installed from Python in our computer. If you will download Python, many packages, installers, and many these kind of modules are pre-installed in Python. Okay, these are built-in modules. If you want the list that what are the built-in modules in Python, what do you want to do? You want to go to Google Chrome. It's opening. Now what do you want to do? You want to open a Google Chrome and write on Google Python built-in modules. Click on the first site. You will select your version. Now you will get. Okay, so I'm telling you that open your Google Chrome. I have opened. Now I will write Python built-in modules. Guys, these are Python built-in modules. This is our first site. Open it. Click select here your version. Now guys, these are the modules that are pre-installed in Python. So guys, hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon. Now we will meet in the next video.